In just weeks now, California voters will decide whether to legalize marijuana for recreational use. And tonight, critics of Proposition 64 have a strong message about the potency of today's pot and its effect on teens. CBS News 8's Abby Alford is live in Vista with a look at the risks. Abby?
Barbara Lee, online records show that this is a medical marijuana dispensary. In Vista, they do not legally permit them. So as we went into tonight's teen marijuana prevention program put on by the North Coastal Prevention Coalition, they say pot shops make it easier for kids to use, and if it's legalized, it'll make it even greater, calling this a public health issue. Marijuana use among teens.
Parents need to be aware that this is not the same drug that they may have dabbled with in the 70s and 80s.
Researchers say it's more potent and the THC is much stronger and dangerous for kids. With their parents' permission, we spoke to Vista's Rancho Buena Vista High School seniors during a marijuana prevention forum. All say they don't use marijuana.
You walk around school, I mean, it's something that needs to stop.
I feel like drugs are kind of part of a teenage experience, whether you do them or you don't. Teenage use of marijuana, I think that it's wrong.
With a crowd of about 100 students, also from Madison Middle School in Oceanside, the North Coastal Prevention Council hosted a forum on marijuana prevention among teens, citing in San Diego County 3% of 7th graders and 16% of 11th graders admit to using marijuana in the past month.
Really, my job as a parent in this community is to make sure all these kids are informed.
Informed about the effects on brain development, drug driving, and potent edible marijuana, this leaves advocates worried that if Prop 64 passes, which would legalize recreational marijuana for users 21 and older, they feel that there'll be more access to teens.
I just think, if we're going to go down that route, we need to educate kids.
The message that marijuana is dangerous for kids is absorbing with teens, but many still have a liberal view.
It can be detrimental to your brain development, but at the same time, it's completely like a personal choice.
Marijuana reformers argue that legalizing marijuana will get rid of the black markets filled with drug dealers who are trying to push harder drugs on kids. Barbara Lee and Carlo.